My name's Stu Lyons. I'm the line producer UPM on Breaking Bad, which is an AMC Sony series. I've been in the industry over 30 years. I've done 28 series, over 500 episodes. I've worked on shows like Taxi, Everybody Loves Raymond, and now Breaking Bad. The challenge of doing Breaking Bad is the challenge of doing a show that is its own movie, a different movie every week, when your showrunner is almost 1,000 miles away. We want to coordinate. We want to achieve a very specific vision. We're doing a complete arc of a character, and being able to have the entire crew know what that arc is going to be as quickly as possible is the chief benefit of Synchronize. I discovered Synchronize from an article in the Produced By magazine, which was the Producers Guild magazine. And I read the article and I thought, this is fantastic. And I was really impressed. And so we started talking. Some features were talked about, added, and the ball got rolling from there. Synchronize is a way of solving maybe some more problems than I can solve, particularly in coordination. There's also a green aspect to it that's attractive to me. And then the idea of getting everybody on the same page and not having to print the page. Last year we had a 13-episode arc that was completely dependent on us keeping the secret of the episodes out of the public. I mean, we're spending millions of dollars to entertain people, and the surprise was a big part of that entertainment. Watermarking, which is just a very small part of the total package that Synchronize offers, is an extraordinarily time-consuming procedure unless you're using Synchronize. We evaluated all of the watermarking systems that were out there. Most of them involve proprietary hardware as well as software, and were very time-consuming. This was not. This was fairly simple, very straightforward, and in terms of time-consuming, it's the same as hitting print and watching the scripts fly out. So you can't ask for anything better than that. For us to have to do anything on an individual script basis for every script that we're distributing is insane, and would take, I think Alyssa figured that it would take about 12 hours to get a script run out. Well, that really means if it arrives at the end of the day and we need it the next morning, somebody has to work all night. That has been completely taken care of. We can watermark scripts and get them out in as much time as it takes to press the print button and have the printer spew out the copies. And every copy that will come out will have a person's watermark on it. So it's an extraordinarily powerful tool in that application. The speed of integration, the speed of learning could be measured in hours. There was never a case, even in the first scripts, where I got a call saying the script's going to be delayed because we can't figure out how to do something. If that happened, I think she had instantaneous instruction, either online or through phone calls. The support was as if the person was right there going, no, not that button, that button. I don't even know what buttons she pushes, but it works very quickly. The overall benefit of the specific application that we're using, which is the watermarking, is there's a time savings, because alternate systems of trying to achieve this are really time intensive and labor intensive. And when we're printing scripts, it's usually the script has arrived at the end of a day, and everybody's tired and everybody's anxious to get the script. So we need that distribution to happen instantaneously. I think where Synchronize is going to make a huge impact is the ability to keep everything moving along the same line on your project. That if the creatives do decide to do something differently, that everybody gets the word almost instantaneously. It's not dependent on people coming into the office from a location. They can achieve it online. They can access it online. You don't spend time going down that road when the decision is now to go down this road. I think Synchronize is the future of motion picture and television production. Since I started in the business, those projects have gotten more complex. We are in New Mexico. My showrunner is in Los Angeles. And this is one way that it feels, at least in a virtual world, we're on the same page. We're in the same time frame, and we're doing the same show. Distro, in one word: coordination. You're getting everybody on the same page, and the page is virtual.